Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just been trading live once again for binary option for the broker IQ Sense. So if you lost this live session, probably you are not subscribed to my channel, you maybe don't even know about this channel, or you just did not turn the bell notification on. So make sure you do this now, okay? Also help me out a little bit. Just by liking this video, you help me tremendously. I trade live every single day here at YouTube and on Discord if I link below the video. And I do this completely for free. So the only thing I ask in return is that you like this video and make a comment below the video, because this is things that make so this video get more views. And more people I can get into my live session, more fun it is for me to do this type of live videos, because I think I'm the only YouTuber that trade live every single day. So that's something that helped me. Also, make sure you sign up with the link below the video for this broker. You can just start with a demo account, but if you decide to go in real money, make sure you use the promo code that you find below the video. It can give you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count if you're going to go in with real money. The promo code is basically Alpha1. Just use big letters Alpha1 and you have it. You can just copy the one you find below the video. Okay. Now let's get to the results of the live session I just had, and also how I'm trading so you can follow my trades. Okay. So let's do that now. Let's go over here. Let's take a look. So you can see here, for example, now. If you're trading here now, I would say if the bar comes down to the green line, we will basically just push up. And you can see now we get a nice rejection of this support line, and then we would have taken a trade here, for example. Now, when it comes to the red line, we can see we're trading here, and we also have this power of this trend line here that also were pushing us downwards. So that means we were easily trading this line here, because here we had double push down. So that is something that was amazing for us when we were trading on this line here. So in this one, we will push down. In a green line like this, we will push up. Okay, so that's how we trade. I do implement trend lines and these type of things to raise our win rate. So I will say it's very easy to follow my trades. Okay. When it comes to my result for today, we just did 3 trades, 2 winners and 1 loser. I also did collect $58 in cashback. I did one video of this before, but the sound was bad, so I don't have the option to rewind and get my $58 here. But basically, profit for today with the cashback was $56 from here and $58 from the cashback, so $114 profit I made from this live session. So that is not bad. That is pretty decent. So make sure you join me in the live session I have tomorrow. Also make sure you, like I said, subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, and also join me in Discord, because every time I'm live here in YouTube, I'm live in Discord. In Discord, what you're gaining is a little better quality on the live stream, that come to sound, that come to picture quality, and that come to lag. So that we have seen up to 9-second lag in YouTube. That means when I push up, that happen 9 seconds later for you. And there are times when I go through many pairs that I get trade almost right away. If you're in Discord, you will not lose that trade, but if you're in YouTube, you might lose it. So you have a big advantage if you join me in Discord, of course completely for free. Everything I do is completely for free. I will never charge for this. And I have done this now for 1 year and 8 months. I've traded more than 420 days total. And of these 420 days, I only have lost money 15 of them. So we have an incredible high win rate. The win rate you should get all over, not from week to week, but from month to month. It's 7 out of 10 trades you should win. Like this week, for example, we are down for the week, but all over we are up. So that's how you need to see it. Okay. So we started bad this week, but I'm sure the next few days now we will turn a nice profit for this week also, as always. So with that, have an amazing day, and I really hope I see you in Monday. No, Monday. Actually, no, I'm thinking wrong here now. We are Wednesday today, so I see you on Thursday. So I see you tomorrow. So that, have an amazing day.